FM at 103.5 in Santa Rosa and Windsor, and now at 96.9 in Petaluma.
The year's second deadliest mass shooting taking place at a mall in Allen, Texas, near Dallas on Saturday. A gunman opening fire on shoppers as they walked outside the shops, killing 8 and wounding 7 before being killed by a police officer who happened to be at the mall on an unrelated call. Texas Republican Congressman Keith Self praising that officer's response.
We will never know how many lives were saved by the swift actions of our first responders.
Authorities have not identified the gunman nor said what a possible motive may have been, only saying,
We believe at this point that the shooter acted alone.
That's Allen Police Chief Brian Harvey. The White House said late Saturday that President Biden was briefed on the shooting and that the administration is offering assistance to local authorities. Members of the FBI and ATF are working the investigation. 3 people remain in critical condition while another 4 were hospitalized. I'm Mark Remillard, ABC News.
Have you visited KSRO.com lately? Bookmark it today for the latest headlines and happenings in and around Sonoma County. Go even further with the KSRO digital app, available on your phone in the App Store. KSRO, online all the time at KSRO.com.
We expect our information in real time. U.S. Med carries continuous glucose monitors, which provide real-time readings of blood glucose levels. U.S. Med is an approved provider for Medicare and over 500 private insurers. So call 800-730-8405 today for a free insurance and Medicare benefits check. As easy as, that's 800-730-8405.
Help the Redwood Empire Food Bank restore a sense of comfort and relief to families who've gone without for far too long. Because We Care underwriter Ongaro & Sons Plumbing, Heating and Air reminds you that there are 3 ways to donate to the Redwood Empire Food Bank. Donate your time, donate money, or donate food. Perhaps the need feels more urgent during the holidays, but unfortunately, food insecurity is in our community year-round. To donate to the Redwood Empire Food Bank, go to refb.org, refb.org.
Kim Commando has your latest tech news every weekday morning. It's all part of our Balanced Talk Radio Breakfast. Sonoma County's morning news, weekday mornings at 6. KSRO.
I'm KSRO's Jeff Woodworth with Sonoma County's most accurate, most dependable forecast. On the heels of a partly cloudy afternoon, we can look to some more clouds and a mere 10% chance of showers to leave us with overnight lows in the mid to low 40s. Tomorrow, fairly sunny skies should give us daytime highs in the mid-60s, mid-50s out along the coast. However, there is around a 60% chance of showers returning sometime tomorrow evening. Depend on weather every 30 minutes on FM News Talk 103.5 and 96.9 KSRO.
5 years. The Coast Insider Club is a must-have feature for all Coast to Coast AM listeners. Visit coasttocoastam.com to sign up today. You'll sleep like a baby, knowing you'll never miss your favorite guests or topics ever again. Remember, a 1-year subscription comes out to only 15 cents a day. Sign up today at coasttocoastam.com.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, darling.
It's 1, 2,
1, 2, 3. There's a little black spot on the sand today. It's the same old thing as yesterday. There's a black hat caught in a hot tree top. There's a flagpole rag and the wind won't stop. Stood here before, sound of pouring rain. The world in a circles running round my brain. Yes, I'm always hoping that your hand is sweet, but it's mine is the need to be the king of pain.
Coast to Coast AM with Ian Punnett.
Lady Gaga and Sting doing King of Pain. Everybody's talking about the coronation of King Charles III today. And I do think that the world is evolving. We always learn new things about countries, sometimes like in Jamaica, where it appears as though they were kind of waiting for Queen Elizabeth to die. Queen Elizabeth II, that they had a connection to her, and perhaps to her war service, or to the number of times that she visited Jamaica, or whatever, I don't know. But they don't feel any connection to King Charles, and there still is, I think, a lot of hard feelings about the Queen Mistress, if you will, Queen Camilla. The fact that, Charles can ask people to forgive that, but at the same time keep playing up all the rest of the divisions within the family, and maybe the rest of the divisions in the family are what's causing it, but whatever it is, I'm going to guess that one story headline you're going to see a lot in the next few weeks is going to be about countries that are voluntarily leaving the empire. They hung on for the death of Queen Elizabeth, they waited for the coronation of a new monarch, and now it's done. The system is broken. It gives them very little in return. And this argument about it being all for tourism and stuff, I guess they'll put it to the test. Will people still go to Jamaica if it is no longer part of the British Empire? My guess is yes. We'll find out. Let's get back to the subject. We're talking about Robert Stanley with a very, very interesting admission, and in his own admission, some precognition about what we could expect next from AI on Coast to Coast AM. This is Ian Punnett.